Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Oil prices rose around 3%, buoyed by hopes of a breakthrough in looming trade talks between the US and China, the world's two largest oil consumers. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent will meet with China's top economic official on May the 10th. US stocks rallied as investors cheered a new trade agreement hammered out between the United States and Britain, while US President Donald Trump signalled upcoming talks with China would be more substantial than initially thought. Bitcoin topped $100,000 for the first time since early February, bolstered by a wide-ranging deal between the United States and the United Kingdom, in a sign that perhaps US President Donald Trump's trade war with the rest of the world is easing.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.